this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok favorite sound not showing. So if you have some sound or songs that has been added to your favorites on TikTok and you're able to find them from the sounds tab under favorites, but whenever you try to make a post on your TikTok, you're unable to find the sounds or songs you have added to your favorites. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix that problem. So in my case over here, I do have some sounds that I have added to my favorites, but if I try to make a post from over here and then just tap on the add sound option from the top, you're going to see that all of my favorite songs do not show. So if I tap on favorites, you can see that there is no favorite song over here. And in order for you to fix this issue, there are basically two methods. First things first, you want to go over to the home of your TikTok and then you want to tap on this three dots or three line icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy from over here, and then you want to select on the account option. And basically what you want to do now is to select on the switch to personal account over here. Basically, if you're using a business TikTok account, then you're going to be having this issue with your favorite sounds or favorite songs on TikTok not showing. So you want to just switch to a personal account by tapping on switch to personal account from over here. Click on switch anyways. So now if I go ahead and try to make a post on my TikTok and then just tap on the add sound option from over here, you can now see that I do have the favorite tabs, and this is actually all of my favorite songs and they are now showing. So you can go ahead and select any of your favorite songs or favorite sound now to add to your post on TikTok. But if this method does not work out for you, another thing you can do to fix this problem is to go over to the three line icon or three dot icon at the top right again. Go over to settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the free up space option. Go ahead and select that, and then just make sure you clear the cache of TikTok on your phone as well. So go ahead and click on clear cache from over here. Click on clear. And now you want to go ahead and check your favorite tab again. You want to try and make a post and see if that will actually fix that problem for you. And as you can see, mine works absolutely well. And I hope this was helpful, guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.